Did you know Japan built a battleship so massive it was larger than 3 football fields and weighed as much as the Empire State Building? The Yamato was Japan's ultimate secret weapon, launched in 1940 when the world thought battleships ruled the seas. This floating fortress nearly bankrupted Japan during construction. Each shell cost as much as a luxury car and could obliterate targets 25 miles away. The project was so classified that workers were kept in separate sections, never seeing the full ship. It consumed 10% of Japan's entire steel production. Japan believed this monster would dominate the Pacific and win them the war. But on April 7th, 1945, cheap aircraft swarmed the Yamato like angry wasps. In just 2 hours, planes costing a fraction of the battleship sent it to the ocean floor. The ultimate irony? This monument to outdated military thinking helped lose Japan the war. The age of the battleship died with the Yamato, proving that innovation beats brute force.